go, Rosa. This is the biggest apartment in the building. It's crazy.
Nice
Really?
light.
I know, it's so beautiful.
Your contributions to people in the building, and I know a lot of people here in this building are a big fan of you, and they love you very much. You're kind of a celebrity here in the building.
Yeah.
I don't mean to embarrass you, but it's true. You're very well loved here, and I know it's been a tough year for you and your family. There's probably been a lot of financial hardships and things like that. And well, I think you've really made an impact on the people here in the building, and they just wanted to give something back to you. So I have here a little contract for a 2-year lease on this unit that some of your fans here in the building got together, and they're taking care of it. All you have to do is sign and take the keys, and this unit is yours for the next 2 years.
No, this isn't real.
Yes.
We really appreciate everything you've done. And it's your apartment.
It's all yours. It's all yours.
You're gonna have to hire a cleaning person. It's a lot to clean, but we just wanted to say thank you, and we know how much you and your family have done.
Oh, God.
So.
This is too much.